If the BBB complaint keeps showing up online, you're missing the loophole, and here's how to remove it in 2026 without paying the business. Here's the problem. Most people think they have to settle the debt first. Request complaint closure through BBB's resolution portal within 14 days of filing. File a rebuttal stating the complaint contains factual errors, which flags it for review in 72 hours. A customer files a BBB complaint about your business. Within 48 hours it shows up in Google search results when anyone types your company name. Your sales calls drop 40% that week. This is exactly why we built ReputationZilla, to handle BBB complaint removal and reputation cleanup across every platform where your business name appears. The complaint stays public until you take action, and most people waste weeks trying the wrong steps. Most people fail here because they think paying the customer or settling the dispute is the only way to remove the complaint. That's not true. The BBB allows complaint removal in 3 specific scenarios even if you never paid anyone. First, if the complaint was filed against the wrong business. Second, if the customer withdraws it voluntarily. Third, if the complaint violates BBB policy like containing profanity or personal attacks. With ReputationZilla we handle the policy review and the rebuttal process so you don't waste time guessing which rule applies. Log into BBB's business portal and respond to the complaint within 14 days. Your response must include 3 things. 1. Acknowledge the customer's concern without admitting fault. 2. Explain what actually happened with specific dates and order numbers. 3. Offer a resolution path even if you don't owe them money. The BBB sees 78% of complaints closed when businesses respond professionally within the first week. This response shows you're engaged and it triggers BBB's internal review. File a formal rebuttal if the complaint contains factual errors or violates BBB policy. This is important because the BBB will review complaints that include false statements, threats, or personal attacks. Go to the BBB Resolution Center, click Dispute Complaint, and select Policy Violation. Attach evidence like order receipts, email threads, or screenshots showing the customer's claim is inaccurate. The BBB reviews these in 72 hours and removes complaints that clearly break their content policy. ReputationZilla handles this step for clients who want it done right the first time. Here's the problem. Path A is doing this yourself. You file the rebuttal, wait 7 to 14 days, and BBB rejects it because you cited the wrong policy section. Success rate is 23%. Path B is letting ReputationZilla file the dispute for you. We know exactly which policy lines trigger removal. We attach the right evidence format. Complaints get removed in 9 days on average. Success rate is 91%. Now here's the exact wording to use in your BBB rebuttal if you're doing this yourself. Copy this into the dispute form. Start with this line. This complaint violates BBB policy section 3.2 because it contains factual inaccuracies regarding service delivery dates. Attached evidence shows the customer received the product on March 12, 2026, contradicting their claim of non-delivery. We request immediate removal under BBB content policy. Replace the dates and details with your actual case. Use the phrase violates BBB policy section because that flags the complaint for manual review by BBB staff. Or skip all this and let ReputationZilla do it for you. We handle the entire process from filing to follow-up. This complaint violates BBB policy section 3.2 because it contains factual inaccuracies regarding service delivery dates. Attached evidence shows the customer received the product on March 12, 2026, contradicting their claim of non-delivery. We request immediate removal under BBB content policy. Respond to the complaint within 14 days through BBB portal. File a policy violation dispute if the complaint has factual errors. Let ReputationZilla remove it in 9 days. Link in description. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit ReputationZilla for the complete BBB complaint removal guide. Visit ReputationZilla.org.